Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Patriot side mirror. Begin by disconnecting the battery and removing the interior door panel to access the mirror wiring and mounting bolts. Keep track of screws and clips in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Test the new mirror's power and adjust functions before fully reassembling the door. Take your time and follow each step to ensure a safe and proper installation. Start by removing the triangular trim piece behind the mirror and exposing the mounting bolts. Use a socket or ratchet to loosen each bolt while supporting the mirror with your free hand. Once bolts are out, gently pull the mirror away from the door while feeding the wiring harness through the opening. Keep the old mirror intact until the new one is ready so you can compare connectors and mounting points easily during installation. With the replacement mirror, feed the wiring harness through the door and seat the mirror against its mounting surface. Hand start each mounting bolt to ensure proper thread alignment before tightening to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the wiring harness, then reconnect the battery and test power adjustments, heating, and turn signals if equipped. If everything works, torque the bolts to specification and reinstall the interior trim carefully, confirming no clips or fasteners were missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.